morning. I'm Stewart Teo from Klaas Design and Build. Today, I want to explain regarding renovation work. Now, I bring you go to see the extension part. Let's go. This is the extension part, the dining area and the wet kitchen. When we want to do the extension part, we need to consider where is the footing. Normally, we will get engineer drawing and architect drawing. But when on the side, we need to determine the footing can be sit at that position or not. For extension work, for example, here is the column. Here we got column. Before we build this column, under here is a ground bit footing. So under the footing, we need or don't need piling to support the weight of this building. We must consider the ground stability. For extension work, the base is the piling. If you need, do piling. If you don't need to put piling, we need to do footing. After doing the footing, the size of the footing maybe 3 feet or 4 feet, 1 meter or 1,002 meter per square footing. If this is the full wall, previously this is a full wall, no window. When we want to build one opening and make a window here, what we need to do is we must hack this hole, and on top of this we must make another linter. It's a concrete linter to prevent the wall from collapse. Some contractor never do that, so this is very important also. If not, later on top of this window you can see a crack line. Just now I mentioned this is the new ground beam. When you do renovation, this extension area, we have a ground beam and slab. So the ground beam got steel bar. The steel bar must hook to the existing building ground beam. If not, later on, this place will give problem. The floor will have a crack line if the ground sunken. Here is the footing area. Normally, when we do footing, we need to use steel bar, Y10 or Y12 or Y16. Normally, if clients, owner direct deal with contractor, we don't know, or client won't know whether the contractor buy this steel from the hardware is a BS, C-rim or CQ. CQ is not a quality steel bar. If the contractor use CQ material, no quality product, so your footing can last how long, no one will know. This is new fencing wall. Here the corner is a column. Under column must have a strong footing. This place will be, you can see a crack line. So it's very important, before you build this fencing wall, you also need to put some steel bar. So from the column must have some steel bar to prevent cracking at this joint.